PIO is online, right? Yes. So, PIO, can you hear me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, the appellant is absent today in the hearing, but
Okay.
as you are present, can you tell us some details about this? Have you provided some information to him or no?
Sorry, regarding that,
Yes.
uh, the this matter is like this. In between, I have been posted here in between March and April.
Okay.
Because of that, we couldn't provide the information.
Mhm.
Information is also like this. He has asked his information forehead.
Mhm.
SIDA, MLA, outside during the 2019 to 2020.
Yes.
So because of these huge numbers of details touted by the appealer, we couldn't provide a reply. This is about 32 numbers, 32 scale numbers, uh, detailed documents has been submitted for the 3 years.
Mm.
Because of that, we couldn't provide it.
Alright. So you have with you right now the Form A of the appellant. Do you have it right now?
On the server, yes.
No. The Form A that the appellant has submitted to you, do you have that with you right now?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. Let's come to the Form A.
Yes, sir.
Number one, he has asked for the DPR. Number two, he has
Yes,
asked for the TS, name
yes,
of
sir.
work scheme project photograph. That also it should be given. Geotech, photographs, check leads, and bank transaction records of the payment. Can you give it?
You know, so we are check. It cannot get any.
Yes, that's what on that day also the same appellant he had applied for the same information to another PIO wherein uh, I have rejected providing of check leaves and bank transaction records because that might be, according to me, that might be jeopardizing that PIO's life and security also. No,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes.
he was bit arrogant that day also. The same appellant regarding my order that such bank transaction records cannot be given. But whatever be, had he been today present, I would have spoken the same thing. So number six, if he is there in that next hearing, out of
Sir.
number six, the bank transaction record would be not given to him.
Yes, sir.
But the list of check list also it won't be with you now, though.
Yes, they did that computer we can keep.
Yes.
Number always data we
Yes. That's what I say. That.
yes.
So seven.
We have
So
sir.
details of VFMS, yeah, account transaction. Number seven also won't be given.
Yes.
Yeah. Rest number eight, the NB payment billing vouchers. Billing vouchers would be, yeah.
Yes. Yes, we can give sir, but numbers of schemes are
No. I'll come to that. I'll come to that later on. First, let us discuss it. I'll come to that later on. And then number 10 UC has to be given and contract agreement between working agency department and contractor. That also can be given.
yes.
Work order copy, first and final bill copy, furnish list of firm contract interview with the bank account number, agreement, the bank profile, which has been passed. A list of firm contract individual with the bank account number. The bank account number cannot be given of an individual because when you go to a bank also, if you ask someone else's bank account number, the banks they don't provide. So I believe you also shouldn't be providing the bank account details of someone else. So here details in the number 14, the individual bank account number cannot be given. And the cash book with page numbers or hand receipt with pay name. Cash book can be okay, okay. Okay. So in under 14, there are certain informations that would be rejected, exempted to be provided. Number 15 also won't be given. The estimate copy can be given. Detail of payment made to the contractor as per desire. I fail to understand as per desire what he wants to mean. So we have to hear him in this regard, what he means by as per desire. Because we are here to basically we are here to provide informations to all the applicants, provided they don't misuse or they don't harass the PIOs. No, give the billing challan, cash memo, payment voucher. Yes. Okay. So list of tender participant copies can be given. Do you have any social audit? So you simply reply that. So in that case, you simply reply that the department does not have any social audit. Social audit means by the panchayat or the villagers or those beneficiaries. No. So as you don't have the social audit system, the government also doesn't have the social audit system. I believe. So you reply in one line that we don't have the social audit system for these schemes. That would be more than enough. Yeah. So third party. So you have the third party inspection record also. So you reply. Yeah, you reply in that way. And your reply is concerned actually. If you can give it, you reply. If the for the things that you can't give, you simply write that we cannot provide the information for this region, citing the region. And then regarding 22, that can this would be rejected. This is because this is exempted. He has asked for the bank account statement of department before and after. That we cannot allow that. The 23rd, the NIT copy tender, this can be given, yeah. And 24 also can be given. 25 district vigilance officer come district. Okay. So the district vigilance officer, DC, approves your files or what? Okay, so you replied in that way. LOC, LO can be given, work UC can be given, approved copy of fixed amount deducted for GST and charges from release amount contract. So he's asking under in 28, he's asking the GST that you have deducted from the contractors. So you just give the details simply this much of 2% or whatever percent, this much of percentage of money was deducted from his total bill and that has been submitted to the GST. Yes, yes. Name of contractor, firm, individual, latest GST update number. Yes. No, simply give the GST number of that firm that has done the work. Only the GST number, not the details of payments and all.
Yes.
Give the ground for various percent deduction of money from contractor from contingency. This also can be given under contingency how much percentage you deduct or under GST or royalty charges as per whatever you have deducted that you give here. Name of officials, those this also can be given. Furnished details of total amount of payment made to contractor, farm enterprise. This also can be given.
Yes.
But coming back to the point that you have raised, had he been here today, I would have asked him to apply for a single year
Sure, sure.
or a single scheme. Under SIDM also, there would be many projects under you in a single year.
Yeah, sir.
So
But then what is it?
we would have sorted it out today because now we have
Sir,
decided that voluminous asking for voluminous and unspecific informations won't be entertained.
yes, sir.
Uh, Seeing the conditions of the office of the PIOs, not many PIOs have complained that they don't have that much of manpower in their office.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
Honorable Supreme Court also has passed a judgment uh, which says that public servants should devote their 70% of the time in public services only, not in supplying information to RTI activists. So taking into consideration about all those things about the welfare of the public, because the public servants should be really devoting their time in public works only, basically. So had he come today, we would have come to certain considerations and certain uh, agreements as to how much of the information SCS applied may be given, can be given to him, but he is absent. So we have to give him a fair chance to be heard. So we'll be fixing a next date of hearing, wherein you will have to come back online or in person in the court, whatever as per your convenience. Let us give a next chance to the appellant also, and we'll fix the next date of hearing.
Maybe 19, 19
December.
December,
So the next date of hearing is 19th December,
same time.
same time, 8:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes, yes,
sir,
yes,
uh,
yes.
I requested Honorable,
Yes.
this, I think give a directive to the attendant, maybe specify for a particular scheme or a particular year.
Yes, that's what I said now. That's what I said now. That's what I'll be telling him while he is present in the hearing in the next day. So let us hear him, and I'll also give him certain directions not to be so ambiguous or so asking for voluminous information that are not practical actually. So let us hear him in the next hearing,
हाँ
19th December.
हाँ
Fine.
और एक तो आपका ये सेम उसका है क्या अभी
I think you have got another one more
ये टर्म वर्सेस
same
हाँ
PIO.
हाँ सेम किया ये
Basar.
और ये बस
Basar.
और ये सर का है हाँ उसका नहीं है
Oh,
होगा
no. We thought that you have another case with us. You have only one case with us today, no?
Oh, yeah, yes.
Okay,
हाँ
then on 19th December we'll meet again.
okay then next 690 691 2023 Ria Taram versus PIO Kam EERWD Basel Leparada आया है क्या
EERWD
WD
Basar.
Basel और वो भी ऑनलाइन ना
It's online.
ऑनलाइन है
तो नहीं ये Basar RWD.
नहीं आया है ना
The fill absent without any intimation to the commission, as well as the PIO absent without any intimation to the commission, which is viewed seriously by the Commission for the fact that the PIO has retained statutory duties whenever he is a party to an appeal. He has the statutory duty to attend it, and absenting without informing the Commission is viewed seriously and is a gross misconduct on the part of the PIO. That both parties are absent. The hearing to see, then someone notice, na, you someone notice to both parties to attend the voting on next week, 19th December. Na. The failure of the appealant, the appeal will be decided ex parte.
Or next, Epic 692, Vijay Taram versus PIO Camp ERWD Pakication. 692. Epic number 692. और PIO ना? PIO का भी है. तो रजिस्टर का लाइन.
लेटर है, आपका नाम और डिजिग्नेशन बता दीजिए, तो रिकॉर्ड इट.
सर आई target planning. Engineering from PIO.
APIO president from piano. This calculated correctly.
Target planning.
Then applicant caption becomes information. इसमें कुछ नॉलेज है कि कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दिया कि नहीं दिया अभी तक.
सर हमको फॉर्म मुझे भी अभी तक नहीं मिला. मिसप्लेस नहीं. इन लोग का टेम्पररी ऑफिस है. इसे ओके पर हो सकती है. फॉर्म में भी नहीं. फॉर्म में भी नहीं मिला. बहुत पहले का है सर. 2023 का. 23 करके नया टीम. सर किसी सर्विसेज किया था.
हाँ
ये इंटीमेट किया था आपका.
जी जी.
तो उसमें पता है. हियरिंग नोटिस किसी का साथ डायरेक्टली देता है ना किसी का.
So basically you are saying that you haven't received his form A.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we may have received but, due to temporary office, we may have misplaced, or maybe we may have posted it. So
You don't have a regular office application.
yes, sir. We have mostly we are working from Srinagar.
Yeah.
We do have a temporary office, and the permanent office has been completed recently. And we are planning on shifting.
Okay, you have
This
not
month.
checked yet. Yeah.
So I was expecting to get the form itself from the and I will try to provide as much as possible.
He has asked for 3 years of information under SIDA, MLLA, and Type 1 Phase 1. So many schemes and for so many years. So had he been here, so we could have discussed about the matter as to how he has sent it. And then you are speaking before the court that you haven't got the Form A even. So we can provide you the Form A. Form A को xerox करके.
Form A को ऐसे xerox
Yes.
करके.
Please.
बाद में hearing का बात ऑफिस में.
So the hearing you come. next floor.
हो जाएगी
So
अभी स्कैन कर लेंगे
okay, okay, you can scan it.
फाइलिंग तो बहुत
Yeah, and then I think one and two. This is page one. Actually.
अभी फाइल तो प्रोवाइड द इंफॉर्मेशन बाय कॉन्टैक्टिंग
Yes, yeah.
कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी लेना
अच्छा से scan कर लीजिए.
try to protect him
Next page. Do you have his number with you?
yes sir it was given in the hearing order
Okay, okay, okay.
I tried to
Yeah.
contact him but I couldn't get
Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the point. So if you talk to him, you ask him to provide a proper address. Herein, he has given care of Hotel Riverview Naharlagan. In some other applications, he gives Hotel Chandini. In some other places, he gives Hotel 3D. A hotel is a public place. The PIO, even if you send the information to this Hotel Riverview, the manager on receipt of your letter will check out his register. Like if there is a customer in the hotel by this name, if there are no customers by the name of Riya Taram, the manager will obviously return back the letter to you if he wants to. But if he doesn't want to go to the post office just for the sake of someone else, he'll simply drop it in the dustbin. No. So later on, the applicant cannot say ki I didn't receive, but you can say that I have sent it. You have the upper hand in that. So if you talk to him, you ask the proper address of him so that if he cannot come to collect the information from you, you can send it through post. So for that matter, you get a proper address from him. I don't think this is a proper address. Here of Hotel Riverview. That's a public place.
next hearing 19 for
So we'll fix the next date of hearing and we have to give him certain some hearing chance to be heard. 19. You can come online also if it takes if it's hard for you to come here in person, so you can avail the online facilities of it.
we are unable to come
Yes, you you can avail the online facilities.
application
Yeah, I can understand. That's why I say, yeah,
since it is a new district
yes,
infrastructure is
yes.
just developing now
Yeah.
so I will try to address this
Yeah.
because
You talk to him at least once, no, and then get a proper address.
thank you, sir. Okay, next 709 2023 Riya Taram versus Action RWD Tawang.
It is the same photo. Excellent. Without information. You are PIO.
Yeah, no, sir. Sir, I'm usually
Okay, okay. The PIO reference is by
yes.
Nimo Lolen A. Tawang, who is also a PIO. इसमें आपको
इसमें
क्या कहना है? वो कुछ डिटेल्स या कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दिया नहीं दिया?
सर ये नहीं सर वो एक्चुअली सर जून 19 को आरटीआई ये किया इंफॉर्मेशन तो 17 जुलाई को हम इसको कम्युनिकेट भी किया है ना और लेने के लिए तो आया ही नहीं है
और
इसी की वजह से मैंने अभी सर कॉल सबको लेके आए हैं जितना हो सकता है
the APIO states that on 26 September 2024, they have written a letter to the appellant SHRI VIJAY TARAM to collect the information sought already and to collect the same by depositing rupees 6,910 on 17 July 2004 itself. But the appellant failed to submit the paid amount and failed to collect the information as applied till today.
Um,
Details of the letter sent to post office is provided by the EPO, FPIO, which proves that the PIO has money is due to July 2023 itself. The receipt of the Form A of the appellant on the month of June 2000. EPIO order states that the information, सारा information ready है. Okay. All information is sought by the appellant are ready and will be provided to the appellant on payment of rupees 6,910. But if the appellant is absent without any information or intimation, commission, the hearing not proceed. So the next date for hearing is fixed
19.
on 19th December.
19 December. They same time.
Same time, that year. And the appellant is ordered to collect the information by paying the requisite mentioned amount on or before the next date of hearing, that is 19 December 2024. In the event of the absence of the appellant in the next hearing, and the instant appeal would be decided ex parte. So you can come online or you can send someone else as subsidiaries. But before that, kindly contact the appellant once and ask him, tell him so that he can come to you or the information can be sent to him by post. You get a proper address of the agreement. On next date, on 19 December, let us see if it comes up. Before that, if you give the information and let us know that he has got all the information completely, we'll dispose of the case on the next day. Yeah, you have to keep it. We cannot be giving it. No. Okay, you sign here, no? No.
On next 6/7/5/2023, Tamsi Gumte versus video Ramle Bango.
Both parties present. You are already instituted. But इसमें have you got the information? अभी यहाँ या okay. जी जी. So the film states that the PIO has given furnished the information to him just now inside the fourth room of the commission, and so he will go through it if the information are complete or not. Is asked as so by him. So you yes yes yes.
Actually, on receipt of the notice of hearing,
Yeah.
I had contacted the office.
Yeah.
I think I had contacted Swarma sir first.
Okay.
So he gave me ma'am's number and I got in touch with ma'am. The Form A was not received actually, sir.
Okay.
The Form A specifically dated 9th May 2023. Just 5 or 4 days before, I had asked one of my colleagues to come to the APIC and then collect the Form A. On the basis of that, since the appellant has asked only for two schemes,
Yes.
we were able to, make the documents ready by that time, by today. So the EC Mokapes are actually, since beneficiary oriented scheme answer, it's पुराना भी है सर 2019-20 और सर जिस समय सर इसका डीपीआर वगैरह बना था और इम्प्लीमेंटेशन स्टेट समय का था सर एक्चुअली द पीआई का ये था इम्प्लीमेंटिंग एजेंसी का जो वीडियो था उनका डिमाइस हो गया
Okay.
तो आफ्टर दैट इन द मीन वाइल जब काम चल रहा था तब समय का जितना डॉक्यूमेंट्स है सर वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड इट सर
Okay.
and so the same thing has been reflected on the website sir कि कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिले हैं तो उसका फिर mentioned only things of which we have not given is facts.
Erosion.
Because in when diagnostic system is replaced.
Okay. So you mean to say you have provided all the information that are with you
Yes, sir.
as are sought by the applicant,
Yes,
except is number 3
yes, sir.
and one more number 3. You, you first go through the information provided by yes. In the meanwhile, we'll fix an state of hearing. We'll have to give him certain time to read the application. If he feels that the information are complete, you let us know. And in the next date of hearing, you can discuss of the application. No, next week, if you are, if you say, tell to us that the information are complete, we'll dispose of the case in the next day. So 19th December, the same time.
10:30.
सर आपका ये क्या बोलते हैं नेक्स्ट ईयर
19 December 10:30. अभी कैसे टाइम का होगा?
और देख लेना ना।
वही तो
हाँ, वही
फिर
तो।
एक महीना
मैंने आप पूछ रहा था ना उसको जो नेक्स्ट ईयर का डेट से दे रहे हैं उसको अपडेट कर देना तो ये कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर याद है
So in case, in the meanwhile, if you have gone through the documents before the next meeting, if the information are complete, to let us know. In that case, you both also don't need to come unnecessarily. We'll straight up dispose of it. Ask for the ease of both of you. No?
कम्युनिकेशन के लिए सर
जी 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 इसलिए ना we'll obviously give it.
उनको लेटर लिख दो, फिर मैं दे दो, डिस्पोज कर दो।
Dispose कर देंगे। ठीक है। So the next year is fixed for 19th December. Yeah. In same.
Thank you.
और है
Yes,
दो है
इसका
इसका
है।
दो है
हाँ। और नेक्स्ट जो है 701 कमसी गुंके वर्सेस वीडियो बाशर।
हाँ बासर
हाँ,
वीडियो
बाशर
बासर
वीडियो बाशर आया है।
वो तो आएगा बोला था आया नहीं है।
आपका कॉन्टेक्ट में है लेकिन ना
हाँ अच्छा बात नहीं किया था पता बात आएगा
वो
आया नहीं है।
वो कागज इंफॉर्मेशन आपने जो मांगा है वो रेडी है बोला
उसका ऑफिस में अवेलेबल है ऐसे कुछ बोला यार
कैन बी रिकॉर्ड दैट
उसको पता नहीं वो क्या बोले आपको तो जो बोला वही आपको
मैं आप उनसे बात किया ना
बात किया उसका फोन नंबर भी है मेरा साथ
the PIO absent without intimation to the commission okay, that the other words which 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 is becoming of it public serving and some notice को भेज देगा हम लोग नेक्स्ट डेट के लिए
एक्चुअली सर वो जैसा बोल रहा था कि उसको फोन में शायद मिला था होगा उसका प्रॉपर नहीं है बोल के कहीं हो गया क्या ऐसे
Let us
बोल
hear
रहा था
that उससे सुनते हैं हम लोग
लेकिन ऐसे हमको आप
हाँ
मतलब वो बोला है कि ठीक है सर मेरा आपका नंबर में हम व्हाट्सएप कर देगा तो मेरा है तो हमने चेक किया कि उसका फोन नंबर में व्हाट्सएप नहीं है तो उसको हमने इतना फोन किया बीच में उसका बाद वो फोन उठाना बंद कर दिया कि पता नहीं शायद कुछ मेडिकल रीजन के लिए इतना आया था मुझे लगता है
एक someone हम लोग बेचते हैं उनको he or she has to come for some online statement. So 19 same date का देना है 19 December
19 दिसंबर का है।
दूसरा उसका
और
कैसे और भी ना
हाँ, और नेक्स्ट 677 2023 कमसी गुंके वर्सेस वीडियो कारादादी आया है, ताली कारादादी का।
authorization letter seorang kami Iyo Ari Studi Blok Tali Yayo is represented by is represented seorang kami Iyo Ari इसमें इसको कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिला आज तक
उसके साथ ज्यादा स्क्रीन है उन्हें जैसे
उन्हें पता जो मुझे जो जो बातें जो पेपर में आया ये अप्रोच को जो इसकी हमने जो इन्फॉर्मेशन को किया हमने अपने वो भी 2019 तो मेरा सबसे हमको एक दो दिन में दिक्कत हो सकता है हमको पहले सर आपको दूसरा आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन को प्रोवाइड करें ठीक है सेम टाइम हमने मेरे को सब और मैं जितना करे इसका साइड से बोल दिया मैं ध्यान रखूँ हमने बोल दिया अब उसको मैंने विदिन एक वन वीक के लिए
नहीं नहीं अब लेट मिला होने से भी तो ये 2023 का है ना एक साल पार हो गया ना
पता नहीं लेकिन हम लोग को हिंदी भी किसी का हाथ से हम लोग कोई गलत किया था होगा ऐसे
आप पोस्ट ऑफिस से भेजा है
पोस्ट ऑफिस में भेजा था हम लोग में बस्ती में ऑफिस में
नहीं लेकिन अब तो बोल रहे हैं अब मिला ही है तो
मिला
जॉब
है
मिला है तो
2 डेज पहले मिला
2 days पहले मिला है।
मेरा कन्वर्सेशन हो तो एक साल तो कोई बोल सकता नहीं ना। हाँ तो कोई साल तो क्या होगा यार, कोई कॉल भी रिसीव कर सकता है फोन।
इंटेंशनली बोल रहा होगा, नहीं तो कर रहा होगा।
बट वॉट एवर भी आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको तो इसका एपिलेंट फॉर्म में जो आरटीआई एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म है वो तो मिला है तो इसलिए सेम टाइम बोल दिया नहीं वो तो हम लोग भी हाँ आप भी देखिए आप भी ऐसे होने से आप भाई या कॉल कर दिया कंसर्न वीडियो वीडियो से है आप बाय हैंड भी आपको कॉपी को सेम कॉपी को आप फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं जैसे एक साल 7 महीना हो गया तो अभी तक सिक्योरिटी भी नहीं आया नहीं इसका इसका फोन में पूरा नंबर दिया हुआ है उसमें सब कुछ डिटेल्स दिया हुआ है यहाँ से वो तो रहते ही मिला यहाँ से खाली पोस्ट ऑफिस से तो 15 महीना या 15 दिन 1 महीना में तो पहुंचेगा वो पोस्ट पोस्ट से भेजने से तो उसका डेट उस समय से शुरू होता है जब वो आपको मिले लेकिन आपको प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि आपने 2 दिन पहले मिला है the onus lies upon you to prove that you got the information you got his form just 2 days back जी 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 मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ ये जो डेट है 28 जुलाई मार्च अप्रैल अप्रैल 28 जुलाई अप्रैल का है 23 का लेकिन इस डेट से हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकता है उस डेट से काउंट करता है जब तक मिला लेकिन आपका तो अनबिलीवेबल वाला स्टेटमेंट आप बोल रहे हैं 1 साल 7 महीना में ईटानगर से ताली लेटर पहुंचने में लग नहीं सकते दैट इज अनबिलीवेबल वट एवर बी किसी का वो जी जी so the representative of the PIO states that he has received the Form A of the appellant just 2 days back from today. सर वो वीडियो से मिला है इसका जो PIO है हाँ वीडियो से करना पड़ेगा from the video oblique the PIO वीडियो ही तो PIO है तो वो कैसे आपको इंफॉर्मेशन को दे दो बोल के इंफॉर्मेशन आपका अंदर में है ना वीडियो के अंदर हम लोग का सेम अंदर में है क्योंकि हम खोज रहे हैं कि सर उसका सेम इंफॉर्मेशन देखिए 2018 अर्लियर में इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हुआ हुआ जो हम लोग जो वीडियो आया है हाँ 2021 आया है सेम टाइम हम भी आया तो उसके को अभी हम जिसमें खोज रहे हैं ढूंढ रहे हैं अभी मिल जाएगा एंड फर्दर इज दैट आपको इंफॉर्मेशन इनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में देना है अभी सारा इंफॉर्मेशन नेक्स्ट डेट का पहले नेक्स्ट डेट को आप आके या ऑनलाइन आके इंफॉर्मेशन इनको देने के बाद में आप बताना है हम लोग इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में और इन्होंने भी जो एपिलेंट है आपके सामने ये हम लोग को आके ये नहीं बोलना कि फुल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिला तो आप फुल इंफॉर्मेशन देगा ऑन और बिफोर द नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग तो 19 दिसंबर का पहले में आप फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में इनको सारा इंफॉर्मेशन को देना है The PIO is ordered to provide the information free of cost to the appellant on or before the next date of hearing, which is on 19th December 2024, 10:30 a.m. तो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में आपको आप इनका नंबर को ले लीजिएगा तो आप लोग आपका नंबर हाँ इसमें आप पे कर सकते हैं
जिसमें आप देख करते रहिए फोन नंबर लेके वो वीडियो रखा होगा लेके ना
19 दिसंबर को हाँ तो पहले अगर आप मिल जाते फुल्ली तो बता दीजिएगा आने का भी जरूरी हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे यहाँ पे साइन कर लीजिएगा
साइन करवाए और नेक्स्ट 7/8/2023 नाबम सोनू वर्सेस एक्शन पीएचई लेपाराडा आया है
पासर
पाचर हाँ
यस
पीएचई एक्शन पीएचई लेपाराडा
वो
ऑनलाइन हाँ सर ऑनलाइन आएगा बोल रहा
यस यस गुड मॉर्निंग जिन जिन का हो गया है लेकिन नहीं
नाबम सोनू नहीं है
The appealant action without inclusion. And the yellow present online. सर एपिलेंट जो है एब्सेंट है आज हम लोग को कमीशन को कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है लेकिन आप जब आया है तो ये जो फॉर्म ए है एप्लीकेंट का आपके पास में अभी होगा फिलहाल आपके साथ में फॉर्म ए जी जी तो उस फॉर्म ए में से among all the information that the applicant has asked from you, can you tell us if you have provided him some of the information or completely not yet provided? So you are saying that all the information that the applicant has asked for are ready with you, and you have also written to the applicant to submit the requisite fees amounting to rupees 2,760 rupees. And still today, the applicant has not contacted you or has not turned up to receive his information by paying the fees. You're saying that. Okay. So today he is not here. We have to give him a fair chance of being heard, and we have to give him the chance to come to the court and present his side of the his presentations, submissions to the court. So we'll fix the next date of hearing on in the next date of hearing also. I'll also tell him that the informations are ready, but if he doesn't turn up for the next date of on the next date of hearing, then we will decide the matter accordingly. And so we'll fix the next date on 19th of December at the same time. You can come in the same format online that day. Okay, thanks. So you have got two cases today with the same person, and will the in this, what do you have to say in the next case? That is 782 record. Yes. 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 Anyway, the same order will go in the instant appeal also like the previous one. Let us meet on 19th December as the case pertains to you and the same appellant. And then you are stating the almost the same version that the informations are ready and he has to pay, right? Okay, so the next date is fixed on 19th December at the same time to give the appellant a fair chance of being heard.
19, 19 December. और next वो 963/2023
Tanya
Tanya
June,
June Tanya June and Sri Tamrin Bapu versus
DFO
DFO
Formula.
Formula.
तान्या जून नहीं आया, देखो तो तान्या जून जनरली वो आता है।
PIO ना
नो,
APIO
ये तो आने के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द PIO। और because only
TikTok kali
therefore
Arepo
representing the PIO present and present option। हाँ, इसमें आप PIO का जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है इसमें आपका क्या कहना है?
सर इसमें वो ये एफिलियन जो 2010 से टिल डेट
जी
तो अराउंड ये तो 14 इयर्स
जी
14 इयर्स का तो बहुत ज़्यादा है।
जी
तो इतना हम लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन तो उसको दे नहीं पाए तो एक बार कंफर्मेशन हमको आपको रिक्वेस्ट है कि पर ईयर ये कैंपा का मंगाया था कैंपा स्कीम में काफ़ी अंदर कैंपा एक कंपोनेंट का नाम है
जी
तो इसका अंदर भी तो काफ़ी स्कीम है तो अगर वो पर्टिकुलर स्कीम को अगर मेंशन करता है पर्टिकुलर ईयर तो हम वो इंफॉर्मेशन दे पाए 14 इयर्स का तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया और हम लोग का स्टाफ भी बहुत कम है इंफॉर्मेशन और हमारा उधर में सर अराउंड मोर देन एवरी मंथ 30-40 केस आता है तो सब मिला के अराउंड 300 प्लस जैसे आते हैं
So the representative of the PIO states that the information stored by the appellant are too voluminous, spanning to 14 years of time and ambiguous also because the appellant has asked the information pertaining to Kempa schemes, Kempa scheme, of entire West Kamen Street. It is pertinent to state that under Kempa schemes, there are so many projects that are taken up. So the appellant be clear and specific of the information that he exactly wants. Is the Form A of the appellant is not specific, is ambiguous, and spanning for 14 years, which would be too voluminous to be provided. and the regions have resulted in not providing the information to the applicant till now. आप उसको बीच में कुछ कांटेक्ट किया था कि इसका रिगार्डिंग में इफ वी कैन शॉर्टन अप और इफ वी कैन डिस्कस
और उसको ये एक 30 अक्टूबर को और एक चिट्ठी दिया था और हम कॉन्टेक्ट में आपको बैक पोस्ट कर देंगे बहुत ज़्यादा है
the PIO has written a letter to the applicant on 30th October 2024 to specify the particular component and specific scheme under CAMPA to enable the office of the PIO to furnish the information immediately to the applicant. Further stating that on the reply of the applicant for providing the officer the PIO the specific information required by the applicant, the PIO will furnish the information within a period of 30 days. Yes, the applicant is absent. The commission could not hear the submissions from the side of the applicant. In their fix a date for the next hearing to give a fair chance of being heard to the applicant. The next date of hearing for this instance that we discussed on 19th December 24 10:30 a.m.
सर ये एक्चुअली एक हम लोग को लिख के देने से कौन से स्कीम का पर्टिकुलर चाहिए
Yes. Yes.
इजी होगा
Yes.
अदरवाइज मुझे कंफ्यूज कौन सा
That we have recorded. That will reflect in the order also, so that the applicant also gets the order and understands it. So up 19th, you can come online also. वो आपको ऊपर में if you don't have problem to you have uh, difficulty in coming in person, you can come avail the online services also. 19th December.
19 December को सेम टाइम में और ये जो नेक्स्ट है 9/6/2023 तानिया जून वर्सेस डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्कूल एजुकेशन DDSC ईटानगर
Tanya June absent. The applicant can without information. The PIO present. हाँ PIO है. और representative एक PIO. Nyamorina DDSC come APIO present, representing the PIO. इसमें आपका क्या कहना है? ये आप आपने तो फॉर्म में देखा होगा उसका।
So, this whatever he has showed, the appearances showed, they have furnished what the one is
Already?
yes, they furnished it and we have informed you.
No. You have furnished it, or the information are still with you.
Still with
Okay. So you are saying the APIO states that the informations are ready in their office, and they have informed the appellant to collect the information.
with a payment of 10,000.
By paying the requisite fee of rupees 10,000. तो उसका कुछ रिकॉर्ड है आपने जो उसको भेजा था?
सर भेजा नहीं है, फोन में किया था।
ओवर फोन.
But he did not respond now.
He is not taking the calls from the APIO.
So phone
The APIO has written a letter to the appellant on 29th June 2023 to pay the amount of rupees 10,000 and collect the information. Until that, the appellant has not turned up to collect the information. ये लेटर को एंड देन आप टेलीफोनिकली भी उनसे बात किया ना? टेलीफोनिकली ऑल्सो दैट्स स्पोकन टू द
कॉल को रिसीव नहीं किया है।
Okay.
सर कुछ दिन में फोन किया रिसीव नहीं किया।
the appellant has
कॉल लेके दो
yeah, you have thank you for that you see them but the appellant you know, taking the call from the office of the yeah. Well, that will record and reflecting my order. But anyway, he has to be given a clear chance of
my request is to keep for the keep for the दिख सकता है और जैसे आप लोग
ये वाला प्रतिशत ये हम लोग के लिए ना आपका है ओके
So one request is there in the text hearing or attach to documents को ऑफिस में रखेंगे
जी
पूरा से कनेक्ट
यूजिंग पेपर्स आप मत लाइए उसको वहां पे रख के पेमेंट करने के बाद में दीजिएगा so the next date is fixed on 19
December को ना?
as you are nearby you have to come if because इतना दूर तो नहीं है तो आपको ऑफिस वो सामने है तो आ जाइएगा but if if busy so you can send someone else also with an authority letter from the office of the PIO or else you can also come through online mode also. So 19th December.
19 December को। और next 1002-2023 Palen La N Srimati Yukar Yaga versus Pio Kam DHO Raga Kamle District
PHO
DHO District Horticulture Official आया है कि नहीं आया है ना? और
ऑनलाइन भी नहीं है ना?
ऑनलाइन भी नहीं है ना?
हाँ फिर पालेन ला
Palen
the appellant present PIO absent without intimation. का ये में से कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन मिला आपको? एक भी नहीं दिया अभी तक। The applicant states that the PIO has failed to provide him information till now. आप बीच में कुछ उनको कांटेक्ट करके देखा है?
जी ये लगभग अभी ये हो गया 6 महीना ऐसे हो गया इसमें हम ये किया था पूछा था
हाँ।
वो बोला दे देगा किया नहीं कोई।
और आज नहीं आया वो लोग, तो एक चांस तो देना पड़ेगा। भी- ये केस भी हम लोग को अभी रिसेंटली ही मिला है, तो एक नेक्स्ट डेट फिक्स करता है 19 दिसंबर सेम टाइमिंग को, उसमें आ जाइएगा ना। हम लोग एक समन भेजेगा उनको पीआईओ को आने के लिए। तो 19 दिसंबर
19 दिसंबर को आप अपियर कीजिए फिर ना।